Now, from the studios of Into Tomorrow in Miami, this is ITTV.
Welcome back Into Tomorrow, tech fans. I'm Dave Graveline here with another episode of ITTV. If you haven't entered our cool Into Tomorrow hot summer giveaway yet, you need to, and you need to hurry. This week is your last chance to win a trip for two to Berlin, Germany for IFA, the Global Innovation Show for consumer electronics and home appliances. We're celebrating our 10th anniversary broadcast by bringing two Into Tomorrow listeners with us. The giveaway ends at midnight on August 5th, so hurry and visit intotomorrow.com to enter right now. Verizon Wireless recently teamed up with the Children's Health Fund and the University of Miami School of Medicine in an effort to bring much-needed medical technology to thousands of children who otherwise lack access to proper health care. We had a chance to chat with some of the people who were instrumental in making this all happen.
Through the technology of Verizon Wireless, we're able to now communicate with specialists back on our medical campus while we are out in neighborhoods of underserved populations, and we're actually connecting the healthcare, specialty care, to our patients out in the field. And it's the first time we've been able to do so live. The specialist sees the patient, is able to make the diagnosis right there on the spot and give recommendations, and it's all seamlessly done in one visit. We're able to bring in specialties such as dermatology, ears, nose, and throat physicians, cardiologists. We're going to start a nutrition clinic as well. We have equipment for ophthalmologists to be able to see in the eye. So we have a lot of room to expand our services. So it's really, really exciting. It's a win-win situation for everyone. It's a win-win situation for the patients and the families. It's a win-win situation for us as providers because we know we're providing care right there on the spot. And yes, the healthcare system as a whole, it's keeping those kids out of the emergency room.
Safe to say, especially with this mobile unit and all the wireless capabilities, technology is making a difference.
It's making a huge difference both in the telemedicine arena as well as electronic health records arena. So we're able to provide to utilize both technologies to be able to provide better service for our patients.
Tell me about Verizon's involvement with this particular project.
Dave, this is a great project for us. We're supporting the Children's Health Fund and bringing technology that is transformative. It really is, because it does provide access to families and their children to top quality healthcare in their backyards, in essence, in their churches, in their schools, and it can definitely change the life of a children and their family. And we are very excited. We're providing the key technology that enables them to be connected, not only to be mobile, but to be connected all the time, to have access to their medical records. So it is a great partnership, and we are very excited. And this is just the beginning. I believe that with our 4G network and the technology we bring in, we're really transforming the space. So yeah, like you said, it's not as simple as having an iPhone and Skype. This is a little more complicated, but that's what we can do. Verizon is the top technology provider, and that's what we're doing. I was talking to one of the physicians that actually runs on one of these mobile units, and I was asking how often you get back, and she was saying about 25% of the time. So once every 4 kids, you had to refer, you had to connect, and the reality is, because of the nature of these visits and a lot of walk-ins, you don't really know what these children are facing. This is another way how technology is really helping improve the life of the people, and for Verizon it's all about sharing the success and helping the community we serve on.
They tell us after its Miami rollout, the program will expand to Children's Health Fund mobile clinics in several other parts of the country. What do you think about technology's role in healthcare these days? Leave your comments below or call us anytime 24/7. You can also ask us any questions related to anything in the technological world. 1-800-899-INTO. That's 800-899-4686. Or listen and participate using our free Into Tomorrow apps available for a plethora of mobile devices. It's now time for Chris Graveline to pop in and help us take a look into yesterday with his popular feature, This Week in Tech History.
This week in 1876, Thomas Edison patented the mimeograph machine. He described it as a method of preparing autographic stencils for printing. They've since been replaced by paper copiers and computers. In 1910 this week, Alva J. Fisher of Chicago, Illinois, received a patent for an invention that moms, grandmas, and single guys certainly have come to appreciate: the electric washing machine. Previous to Mr. Fisher's invention, washing machines were cranked by hand, or you'd have to use a washboard. And this week in 1944, IBM dedicated the first program-controlled calculator, the Automatic Sequence Controlled Calculator, known best as the Harvard Mark I. That's our look back at This Week in Tech History, brought to you by IFA Berlin, the global innovation show for consumer electronics and home appliances. Get more info at ifa-berlin.com. Don't forget to get social with us. Follow our official Twitter feed at IT Radio Show, or like us on Facebook, fb.com/intotomorrow. Links to all of our social sites, along with our YouTube channel, our podcasts, and our 24/7 stream are available on our site at intotomorrow.com.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe to our free tech newsletter. It's got a ton of useful information, such as tech news, go figure, links to our show pages, info on our upcoming broadcasts, some thoughts to make you smile, and much more. Stop by intotomorrow.com and put your email address in the red box on the main page. When you get the confirmation email that will follow, accept it by just clicking the link, and you'll have us in your inbox every week. Don't forget our big Berlin trip giveaway ends August 5th. Get your entry in now at intotomorrow.com, and good luck. Well, that wraps it up for this week's ITTV show. I'm Dave Graveline. Stay tuned next week when we'll bring you further into tomorrow. Yes, we will.
I sound good and I look good. How you doing?